and
Yeah.
orange.
Yeah. My favorite
Color.
colors are. Көп болса а қоямыз, иә? А.
Yes, colors, black and orange.
Black and orange. And are there any colors that you don't like, that you dislike?
The color I don't like is gray.
Ooh, that's good. And why?
Because it doesn't look pretty.
It doesn't look pretty. Wow, Ayoka, I like that. Ayoka. Amazing, Ayoka. Thank you. Yes, Agaisha, please. Hello, Agaisha.
Hello.
What's your favorite color, and are there any colors you don't like?
I like all the color.
Ooh, all the colors. And are there any colors that you don't like?
I like all the color.
So you can say there aren't any colors that I don't like. Yeah?
Yes.
Please repeat, please.
There aren't any colors that I don't like.
Yes, thank you, Agaisha. Thank you. Amazing. Yes, Diana. Diana. Here.
Hello, teacher.
Hello, please. What's your favorite color, and are there any colors that you don't like?
My favorite colors are black, white, and dark blue.
Ooh, fabulous. And other you don't like?
The color I don't like yellow because this is color too light.
It's too light. Yes. Okay. Okay. Fantastic. Fantastic. Thank you. Thank you, Diana. Mulder, please. Mulder, are you here? Mulder.
Hello.
Yeah.
My favorite colors are pink, white.
Pink, white,
the pink.
Pink.
And the asherse.
Yeah, light pink. Yes, light pink. Are there any colors that you don't like?
The color I don't like
Is
green и red.
Maybe red. Yes, maybe red. Yes. That's good. Okay. John Saya is coming. Okay. Yes, please.
My favorite colors are black and white.
And are there any colors that you don't like?
There aren't any colors that I don't like.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Diaz. John Saya, are you here? John Saya?
Hi, yes.
Yeah, are you okay, John Saya?
Yes, okay, but it's so cold or not.
Work. Yeah. John Saya, answer the questions number 1 and 2.
What's your favorite color? My favorite color is sky blue.
Sky blue.
Okay. Yeah, because I think it's so clear.
It's so clear. Yeah, good. Thank you. And are there any colors that you don't like?
I'm not sure. Maybe it be orange.
Orange, and why?
Why? I don't know. I guess
You don't
orange.
know why. Okay, you just I don't like it. Yes.
Yeah.
That's good. Thank you. Medeo, please, Mr. Medeo.
Hi.
Yes.
What's your favorite colors?
I
like at the colors.
Red. You like red and
Black.
Are there any colors that you don't like, Mr.
I don't have to dislike colors.
Yeah, there aren't any colors that you don't like. Yes. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Medio. I like that. Thank you, Mr. Medio. Questions number 3 and 4. Are colors important to you? Were colors important to you when you were a child? Dedi. Yani цветтер sizге маңызды ма? Және де кішкентай болған кезде цветтер sizге маңызды болды ма? Yes.
Yes.
Because
No.
деп айтасыздар, себебін айтасыздар.
Because I like black color.
Colorful things дейді, иә, цветной нәрселерді жақсы көреміз деп, иә? Because I like colorful things. Kan қайталап жіберіңіз? Repeat, please, Mr. Medio.
Yes, they are because I like colorful things.
Things. Thank you. Question number 4. 4-ке жауап бересіңіз, Medio мырза.
Very colorful.
Where colors, яғни where деген болды дегенсіз ғой. Яғни цветтер сіз үшін маңызды болды ма дейді. When you were a child деген кішкентай бала болған кезіңізде дейді. Yes. Деп қойды, иә, болған. Так, айтайық, when I was a child, балапан болған кезде, I used to play. Used to деген істегенмін, баяғыда істегенмін. I used to play with many toys. Яғни, көптеген ойыншықтармен ойнағанбыз. Обычно ойыншықтар қандай болады? Цветной болады, иә? Қайталап жіберіңіз, please. Were colors important to you when you were a child?
Yes, they were. When I was a child, I used to play with many toys.
Many toys. Amazing. Thank you, Mr. Make. Yes, thank you, Mr. Make. Yaroslav, please. Mr. Yaroslav.
Yes.
Yes, please. 3 and 4.
4.
Yes, 3 and 4. 3 and 4.
Our colors completely. No, the colors don't too much important for me.
Yeah, they are not important to you. Yes.
Yes. For were colors important to you when you were a child? Yes. Because
yes, they were.
When I was a child, I think the purple is for girls, and I don't like it.
Because
so like this.
Okay. Yes, they were, because when I was a child, what was?
I think that purple and
Қызыл?
розовый.
Pink.
Pink, yes.
Thank you, Yereke. Thank you, Mr. Yereke. Thank you. Yes, Ayolum.
Colors important to you. I like all the colors at the moment.
And
number 4.
Yes.
Were colors important to you when you were a child? Yes. Yes. When I was a child, I only bought colorful things that I liked.
Yeah, do you like it? Yes, good. Thank you, Ayolta. Thank you. Yes, Aisha. Thank you. Aisha, you hear?
Are colors important to you? Yes.
Yes, they are.
Because I like. I'm sorry. Because I like find their aura and their favorite color.
Yeah, were colors important to you when you were a child?
What?
Siz кішкентай болған кезде цветтер сіз үшін маңызды болды ма? Were colors important to you when you were a child?
Естіп тұрған жоқпын, дауысыңыз.
Yeah, were colors important to you when you were a child? Кішкентай балапан болған кезде сіз цветтер маңызды болды ма?
Yes.
Yes, please read the answer, or you can give your own answer. Yes, they were.
Yes. Yes, they were because when I was a child, I often watch TV and cartoons.
Cartoons, yes. Good. Thank you, Aisha. Thank you. Yes, Diana. Miss Diana.
Are colors important to you? Yes, they are important. Colors important to me because бұл түстерсіз өмір біртүрлі көрінеді.
Yeah, because without colors, without нәрсесіз деген ғой, without colors, life wouldn't, without colors, life would be boring. Қызықсыз болып қалатын еді, Would be boring деген қызықсыз. Қайталап жіберіңіз.
Yes, they are colors important to me because without colors, life would be boring.
Boring. Amazing. I like it, Diana. Thank you. Yes, Mulder, please. Sorry.
Төртінші сұрақ.
Екінші сұрақ. Yeah, sorry. I forgot that. Were colors important to
Were
you?
colors important to you when you were a child? Yes, yeah, because when I was child, watched on TV.
Yeah, you watched on TV many cartoons, yes? Tom and Jerry.
Yes.
Thank you. That's good, Diana. Thank you. Yes, Mulder, please. Thank you.
Colors important to you.
Yes, important.
I don't about colors, no.
I don't prefer any colors. Yani таңдамаймын, бәрібір деген сияқты. I don't care десеңіз де болады.
Этот не киім деген ағылшынша қалай?
Wear.
Одежда.
Киемін ба, киім ба?
Киім, просто одежда.
Clothes.
Қалай?
Clothes. Бұның жекеше түрі жоқ, всегда clothes болып қолданады, киімдер деп қолданады постоянно.
Were colors important to you when you were a child?
Child.
Yes, when I was a child, I never wore. Қалай дедің жаңа киімді? Clothes in colors I don't like.
Ooh, that is good. That is quite good. Thank you, Molia. Thank you. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Are colors important to you? Yes, they are. I like all the colors. I also love colorful
things. Yani colorful things деген цветной нәрселер жақсы көремін дейді да. Қап-қара тек қана бір нәрселер емес, цветной әртүрлі болған, иә?
Yes.
Number 4.
Were colors important to you when you were? Yes, they are. Because I was.
Сөйлесіп жатсыз ба? Диас мырза, наушникті алып тастаңызшы, жаман естіледі бізге. Наушниксіз сөйлесеңіз.
Наушниксіз ғой.
Okay. Yes, they were.
They were because when I was a child, I used to play with many toys.
Yes, I used to play with many toys. Good evening. Yeah, that is good. Dias. Thank you. Yes, John Saya.
Are colors important to you? Yes, they are, because without colors, life is like black, white.
Ooh, life is like a black and white. Wow. Very good.
Were colors important to you when you were a child? Yes, when I was child, I liked watch a lot of TV shows and colorful TV shows.
TV shows. Wow, that's good. John Saya, thank you, John Saya. Yes, Mr. Medeo, are you here?
Yes.
Yes, please, Mr. Medeo. Next questions, please. Let's go. Questions 5 and 6. Please, can you read question number 5?
When are you buying something in the color important to you?
Yeah. Сіз бір нәрсе сатып алып отқан кезде цветі маңызды ма дейді, иә? Цвет этот важен, когда вы покупаете что-нибудь?
No.
No. Okay, no, it isn't. Yes, no, it isn't. Не деп айтсақ болады? I don't care. Yeah, I don't care. Маған бәрібір деген сияқты. I buy things that I like. Мен маған ұнайтын нәрсені сатып аламын, иә? Қан оқып жіберіңіз барлығын.
No, it isn't. I don't care.
Yeah, I don't care. I don't care.
I buy things that I like.
Question number 6, please.
Do you usually wear clothes in your favorite color? Yes. Favorite color. Yes, I do.
Yeah, I really enjoy.
Wear дейтін еді.
Fashionable. Oh?
Wear дейтін еді. Мысалы, do you usually wear?
Кию ғой, кию. Сіз көбінше сіз ұнататын цветтегі киімдерді киесіз ба дейді, да?
Yes, I do.
Yeah. Because I really
enjoy looking fashionable.
Yeah. I really enjoy деген жаңа I like-тың орнына синоним беріп жатырмық та. I really enjoy looking fashionable. Не деген сөз?
Fashionable модный ма?
Yeah, маған модно киініп жүрген, көрінген ұнайды. Looking fashionable деген көріну ғой, яғни әдемі көрінген ұнайды. Бірінші очередь өзіңізге ұнайды. Okay?
Okay.
That is good. Thank you, Mr. Maki. Thank you. I like that. I like that. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, Mr. Yerasıl.
Yes.
Yes, please.
When you are buying something, is the color important for you? No, the color is not important for me.
And the next.
Do you usually wear clothes in your favorite color? Yes, I often wear black, red,
and
clothes is this color.
Black and red.
Yes.
Wow, fantastic. Okay, good. Thank you, Yereke. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, Ayoka, Ayolun.
When you are buying something, is the color important to you?
Yes. Когда вы покупаете что-нибудь, важен ли цвет? Я бір сатып алған кезде цвет маңызды ма?
No. No, the color is not important.
Wow.
But if it is a dress, the color is important.
And what color dress would you like to buy? What's your favorite color dress?
Black.
Black. Wow. Wow, that's good.
Do you usually wear clothes in your favorite color? Yes, I always wear my favorite color. I wear a lot of black clothes.
Black clothes. Yes, thank you. Thank you, Ayoka. Thank you. That is good. Yes, Aisha, please.
When you are buying something, is the color important to you? No, it isn't. I don't care.
I don't care.
Do you usually wear clothes in your favorite color? Yes, I do. I always feel comfortable and beautiful.
Wow. Yes, you are beautiful. That's good. And the next one, Miss Diana. Miss Diana.
When you are buying something, is the color important to me? No, it isn't. It isn't color important to me because
Yeah.
because затқа байланысты түскен емес негізі.
Yes. It depends. Айтамыз онда. Зависит деген it depend. Яғни байланысты. Depend'тан кейін всегда on жүреді, жаттап алайық. It depends on things.
Things ба?
Things, not the color деп айтады.
Colors.
Not the color. Okay? Енді қайталап айтып жіберіңіз.
It depends on things, not the color.
Yes, not the color. Yes, good, great. Thank you. And the next question.
Do you usually wear clothes in your favorite color? Yes, I do. I'll. My favorite. Жеткізе алмай жатырмын мен де.
Қазақша айта беріңіз, бірге переводтаймыз.
Өзіме ыңғайлы да.
Yeah, comfortable.
Өзіме ұнаған түсті киген.
Yeah, I usually wear comfortable clothes for me. Яғни мен үшін. Дұрыс па? I usually wear comfortable clothes. Мен көбінше киемін. Киімдер мен үшін. Okay, please. Repeat, please. I usually
wear comfortable clothes for me.
Thank you, Diana. Thank you. That is good. Mulder, please. Mulya. Molya, are you here? Miss Molya. Yes.
Yes, I'm sorry. Yes.
Yes, please. Questions number 5 and 6. Molya, come on, Molya.
Қазір айтамын. Аудармасы қалай ағай?
Егер сіз бір нәрсе сатып алып жатқан кезде, цвет маңызды ма дейді. Сол заттың екіншісі, сіз көбінше өзіңіздің ұнататын цветтегі киімдерді киесіз ба дейді.
Ja, маған всегда андай алатын затымның өзіме ұнайтын түс болған еді. Сол кезде мысалы ол мен жазатын болсам да, қолданатын болсам да приятно ғой.
Yeah, yes it is дейміз онда. Yes it is. I always buy things in my favorite colors. Okay, мынаны қайталап жіберіңіз. Бірінші, 5-ші сұраққа жауап мынау.
Yes, it is. I always buy things in my favorite colors.
In my favorite colors. That is good. And the question number 6, please.
Do you usually wear clothes?
You know your
clothes болуға ма?
Clothes. Сақау з. Clothes.
Clothes in your favorite color. Yeah.
Yes, I do.
Ja, маған.
Наныңызды жеп алсаңызшы, наныңыз. Нан жеп жатсыз ба, не жеп жатсыз?
Мама сөйлеп жатсам ғой.
Окей, мама, тыныш отырамыз, мама. Okay, read the sentence. Nasıl söyleyeyim? Оқып жіберіңіз, Мөлдір ханым.
Yes, I do. I really enjoy looking
fashionable.
Yeah,
ұнайды, өйткені мен не істеймін? Маған не модна көрінген ұнайды деп айттық. I really enjoy looking fashionable. Okay, that's good. Thank you, Оля. Өзіңіздің идеяңыз бар ма қосатын, или осы нормально ма?
Осы күшті.
Okay, hello, mommy. Thank you. Moля. Diaz, Mr. Diaz.
When you are buying something, color important to you. Yes, it is. I always buy things in my favorite colors.
Okay. Next
You
one.
usually wear clothes in your favorite color. Yes, I do. I really enjoy looking fashionable. I
Fashionable.
usually wear comfortable clothes for me.
Comfortable clothes for you. Yes. Mr. Diaz, настроение жоқ па? Нормально ма бәрі? It's good? Is it good?
Нормально.
Okay.
Нормально.
Good. Thank you, Mr. Diaz. Thank you. Yes, Jansa, yeah?
When you are buying something, is the color important to you? Yes, it is very important to me. For example, I want to buy clothes. Then I should choose colors because not all colors suit me.
Oh, wow. Good. That is fabulous. And the sixth, question number 6.
Do you usually wear clothes in your favorite color? No, but I would like to, because at work we have to wear only white shirt.
White shorts?
Yes.
White shorts? Where do you wear?
Shirt. Рубашка. Shirt, yes?
Shirt. I thought that white shorts. No. I was like, where do you work? Yes. So, okay. Okay. Thank you, John Saya. Thank you. I really like that. Thank you. Yes. Next one, Mr. Medeo, please. Mr. Medeo, questions number 7 and 8.
Is color very important to you when you are buying clothes?
Is color very when you buy things? яғни жаңағы сұрақ сияқты нәрсе ғой мынау, иә? Маңызды бір нәрсе сатып алып отқан кезде.
No, the color is black, then I buy clothes.
If the color, if the cloth, if it is, good. If it is black, I usually buy it. Yes? Қара болса сатып аламын дейсіз көбінше, yeah?
Yes.
Good. And the next one, question number 8.
Do you prefer light or dark colors?
Or bright clothes?
Yes, I do. I prefer dark colors.
You prefer dark clothes? Yes. Yes. Light деген не?
Светлый.
Yeah, светлый. Dark деген темный. Light деген слишком андай ғой. Яркий деген сөз, иә? You prefer what? I prefer dark
colors.
Yeah, dark colors. Oh, Mr. Medel, thank you. Good. Thank you, Mr. Marke. Thank you. Yes, Mr. Gerasol.
Yes.
Questions number 7 and 8, yes?
Is color very important to you when you are buying clothes? Not. I don't think so. I just found the clothes that I want and I like it and buy it. I don't.
And you buy it, yes?
Yes. The color is not as important.
Okay, that's good. And do you prefer light or dark or bright colors?
I prefer light, but also dark.
Okay.
Both.
Because? Because when I go out, I wear dark clothes, but when I go to work, I wear light clothes, you can say, yes?
Yes.
That is good, Erasmus, Mr. Erasmus. Thank you. Thank you. Ayoka, please. Ayoka.
Is color very important to you when you are buying clothes?
Clothes, okay.
Yes, color is important. Because the color of the clothes might not suit me.
Oh, yeah. Because yeah, good. Number 8.
Do you prefer light or dark or bright colors? Bright color, bright бола ма?
Yeah, bright. I prefer деп
Bright.
айтасыз. I prefer таңдаймын деген сөз. I prefer
I prefer
bright
bright
colors. Okay. Okay,
Yes.
good. Thank you, Ayuka. Yes, Aisha.
Is color very important to you when you are buying clothes? It is sometimes.
Yeah, sometimes it sometimes is. Okay.
Do you prefer light or dark? I like light and dark.
And when do you wear light clothes and wear light colors, and when do you wear dark colors?
I prefer light and dark.
Okay, good. Thank you, Miss Aisha. Thank you, Diana, please.
Is color very important to you when you are buying clothes? Yes, it is. I am buying clothes important to me. It is.
Yeah.
It is color clothes comfortable to me.
Yeah.
Do you prefer light or dark or bright colors?
Yeah.
I prefer light or dark clothes.
Yeah. Бүйтіп айтсақ та болады. It doesn't really matter. яғни қатты разница жоқ, иә? It doesn't really matter. Қатты разница жоқ деген сияқты айтсаңыз болады. Қаны оқып жіберіңіз. It
doesn't really matter.
Doesn't really matter. Yes. Good. Thank you, Diana. Thank you. Molya, Mulder. With mommy. Yeah. Please, Molya.
7 мен 8 ғой, иә?
Yes, number 7 and 8. Yes, 7 and 8. Yes, 7 and 8.
Is color very important to you when you are buying clothes? Yes. I don't like the color, and I am no comfortable. It don't comfortable.
Yeah, I'm not comfortable.
What? Ыңғайсыз деген ғой. Ол егер маған ұнамайды киімді түспен жүрсем.
Yeah, I don't like wearing clothes that I don't like the color. Yes. Okay. Okay. Thank you. And the next one, 8.
Do you prefer light or dark or bright? Bright colors. Этот bright деген ашық қой, иә?
Өте ашық, яркий цвет қой. Light деген ашық цвет, dark деген темный цвет.
I don't like dark. I like to bright. Bright colors.
You really like bright colors. Okay, that's good. Oh yeah, thank you. That is good.
Okay.
Yes? No? Nothing? Okay. Mr. Diaz?
Is color very important to you when you are buying clothes? Yes, it is because I like buying things in my favorite color.
Okay.
Do you prefer light or dark or bright colors? I prefer dark colors. It doesn't really matter.
It doesn't matter. Okay, really matter. Okay, thank you, Mr. Diaz. Thank you. Yes, and the last question, the Mr. Meadow, please. Questions number 9 and 10, please.
Are there any colors that have a special meaning in your country? I think these colors, blue and yellow,
Blue and yellow, yes.
because these colors used on the flag Kazakhstan.
On the flag of Kazakhstan. Thank you, Meadow. Jansaya. Thank you, Meadow. Jansaya, I forgot you. Yes, Jansaya, please. Question number 7 and 8, please.
Is color very important to you when you are buying clothes?
Huh?
Yes, it is. It is important because I wear color of clothes that I like.
That you like, okay. And do you prefer light or dark or bright colors?
I prefer light colors more. I think these colors looks cute more.
Good. Yeah, that's good because you